Hey friends, if you wish to change the default font in Word, Excel and PowerPoint for Windows, then please watch this video. Now the procedure is same for all three applications. So I will show it for Word. It will remain same for all applications with a little bit of modification in Excel. I'll tell you about it. So one will ask that I can simply change the font from here, right? Done. Okay, here, done. Nope. I'll tell you why it's not done. It's not done because when I change the font from here, this is not the default font. Okay, I just changed it for this specific instance, which means if I close Microsoft Word and then I open it once again, as I'm opening it here, and then I copy paste it, then as you can see, the font is back to the default font, which was Calibri body. So how do I change the default font for all these applications at once? Click on this icon here, this one, okay, this little one in the font section. Now I can select all these fonts. I can select it to be bold, I can select it to be 22 size, whatever I want to. I can have a preview and then I can click on OK and it will set the font as it did earlier. But if I want to set it as default, I click on this option here, set as default, and it will say this document only. I'll say okay, if I want it for this document only, I can select this document only. But if I want it for as a default font for all documents, then I'll select this one, all documents based on the normal template. Okay, and then I will what do we say, click on OK. And if I want it for this document only, I can click on OK. Now one may ask, what does it mean by normal template? So when I click on file and I try to create a new document, one is this one, the blank document. Okay, so if I select the blank document, then that font, default font, will be used. But let's say I select this one, the resume template, then its own default template will be used. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.